If you're in the early stages of building a recruitment business, one of the very first things you're going to want to get your hands on is a recruitment CRM. I think most founders will be aware that they need a CRM, but typically in recruitment, you often see, especially with small businesses, that the founders turn their heads and they say, we're not going to pay for any software, we'll get some deals under our belt, and then we'll look at investing after we've got a little bit of cash coming in. And I completely get it because, there's some fantastic recruitment CRMs out there, but a lot of them come with super expensive monthly payments and they lock you into 12-month contracts that you can't get out of, which is exactly why I want to put videos like this together, where I share with you 5 recruitment CRMs that are free and affordable, so that as a founder, you can start your business in the right way. You can have the systems, have the process in place, but you're not locked into paying super expensive monthly fees for the next 2 years. Before I dive into the 5 products that I want to talk about today, the one thing that I will point out is that I'm putting these in no particular order. So it's not like number 1's the best, number 6 is the worst. All of the systems have their own pros and cons, and it's about you understanding what your expectations and requirements are and going, that's the right system for me. So the first system that I'm going to talk to you about is the Giig Hire Recruitment CRM. Now, to quickly address the elephant in the room, I am one of the founders of Giig Hire. For the last 3 years now, I've been working with 2 co-founders to build this product, but I promise you, I will give you an unbiased review of our system. Like I said, for me, it's not about forcing you or pushing you to buy our system. It's about helping you find the right product for you. And hopefully you can see that, because I wouldn't put our competitors in the same video as our product if I wasn't genuine about, I want to help you find the right system, whether that's us or whether that is them. But the reason that I want to include us, and the reason that I want to talk about us first, is because I genuinely think, hand on heart, we offer the best free recruitment CRM that you can get your hands on, for a few reasons. One of the main ones is it's free forever. So we don't lock you into a trial period. It's not like we say, here, have a go for 2 weeks, and then after your 2 weeks, you have to start paying. The free forever version of our system you can use for as long as you need to. The second thing is you can put unlimited data onto it. We don't limit the number of candidates, contacts, companies, or jobs that you can track. You can put as much data on there, track as many things as you need to. The other features that are available for completely free that a lot of our current users get value from are the email integration. So you can link up and connect your email to it. As you're doing BD outreach or sending emails to your clients and your candidates, the system will be tracking a record of all of that. So you basically got a paper trail of all the email communication that you're sending to your candidates and clients. We also allow you to build your own custom tagging structure for completely free. Most recruiters will know that as you're adding data into the system, you want to make sure that data is tagged so that you can pull up relevant lists of candidates and contacts at a later date. In the settings of Giig, you can go in, you can design your own tagging matrix with your own categories and the tags that live in those categories. And then as you are adding data into the system, you can add tags to whatever records you want so that you're making sure you're tagging all the data correctly as you're putting it in. Then what you can do is you can then use the advanced search to pull up relevant lists of candidates based on those tags. So you can quickly go into the advanced search and you can say, I want to see all the candidates that I've tagged .NET in Bristol, hit search, then you're going to have a list. The other feature that I think is super valuable in our free forever version is our pipelines. So with the free version, you get access to 3 drag and drop Kanban style pipelines. The first one is the jobs pipeline. So as you're adding jobs into the system, whether they're leads or live jobs, they fall into this pipeline. And then as you start to progress candidates into those jobs, send CVs, book interviews, that kind of thing, you will see jobs move down the pipeline for you. So you can get a snapshot of all the jobs you're working and how close you are to filling those positions. The second one is the interview pipeline for your candidates. So as you are sending candidates to roles and moving candidates through interviews, again, you can get a snapshot of exactly where your candidates are in all the jobs that you've got open. And then the third one is the company's pipeline. So this one is typically for your BD outreach and tracking your leads. You can add companies in as leads, and then you can track them through your sales funnel all the way from it being a lead to we've got terms agreed with the client. To get going with the free forever version of our system, all you need to do is provide an email address. We don't take any credit card details in setting that account up for you. But the one thing that I will point out is that the free forever version is for one user only. It's aimed at supporting the solo founder who's just getting started and needs something to get them off the ground. If you run a small agency or a small business, there is nothing stopping you opening a free account to have a play around and see if you like the system. And then if you do and you want to add team members to the platform, you can do that, but it comes as part of our paid plans. We have two paid plans. We have the Giig Starter Pack and we have the Giig Plus Pack. The Giig Starter Pack comes in at $14.99 or £15, and you do get the ability, like I say, to add team members to that. And then we have the Giig Plus plan that comes in at £40 per user. And with that, you get a selection of extra features on there, like our formatted CV tool, the ability to customize pipelines, advanced reporting, bulk emails, tasks and to-do lists. That is our most popular package, and that is £40 per user per month. With everything we do, we offer cancel anytime. The final thing that I want to do, and then I promise you I will move on to talk about some of the other systems, is point you in the direction of our review platform. We've been collecting reviews on Trustpilot for the last 3 years. We are up to 331, I believe, as time of recording. And the reason that I highlight it is because obviously I can sit here and say, it does this, it does that, it's great, but I think it's always really powerful for you to hear from some of our current users. So if you are interested in having a look at us and you want to check those out before you commit, go and have a quick look. That's enough of Giig. The second system that I want to talk to you about is Zoho Recruit. The first thing to highlight about Zoho Recruit is they also do have a free forever version. So if you're somebody that's watching this video and you're thinking, really, I want something for completely free to get me started, Zoho is another option for you. The one thing to draw your attention to with Zoho's free forever plan is they do restrict you to one job only. So you get the opportunity to go in, have a look at the design, have a look at the workflow, figure out if it's right for you. But as soon as you're in a position where you need to add that second or third job into the system, it's at that point that they will expect you to start paying. The positive is that when they do expect you to start paying, again, it's affordable. So their entry-level packages, and I will chuck the pricing up on the screen, start at £20 per user per month. So again, for small businesses, it's affordable. The other thing that I'll highlight that I like is that as you progress up the packages with Zoho, the jumps are palatable. So it's not like they go, okay, your first package is £20 a month and then we're going to charge you £200 a month from there on in. I think it goes 20, 40, 60. So again, for a small business, if you decide Zoho is the right product for you, as you progress and as you think, right, we need the next package up, the pricing doesn't get crazy. The other things that I will highlight about the £20 package is that once you pay, you get access to their premium job boards, which is a great feature if you need to distribute your jobs far and wide, the ability to build talent pipelines, and the ability to integrate with over 50 partners. I think we're all guilty for using so many different tools to build a business these days that it's really important that your CRM integrates with these other products. So with Zoho, you get the ability to do that, which means if you're using a data enrichment tool to find the mobile numbers and email addresses for certain contacts, Zoho will have the ability to put all of that data in, add it to your CRM, obviously saves you all the admin. Zoho, last time I checked, had over 5,000 reviews. I will stick it up here so you can go and check that out. It's obviously important to see what other people are saying. These guys have been around for a long time. They have a well-reviewed product. If you do decide to go with them, I would say you're going to be in safe hands. So the third system that I'm going to share with you is HubSpot. Now, the big caveat to HubSpot is that they are not a recruitment CRM. It is not built specifically for recruitment, but the flavor of this video is obviously talking to you about free and affordable resources. So HubSpot's one I always drag in because, again, they're a well-known brand. You might be familiar with them already, and they do have a free forever version of their system. So again, you can go in for completely free, use HubSpot for as long as you need to, and you can store as much data on there as you want to. The one thing to highlight is that where it's not a recruitment CRM, they don't have a differentiation between things like contacts and candidates. They don't have a differentiation between interview pipelines and business development pipelines. It all is amalgamated into one. So there have been situations before where we've had users come over from HubSpot that are like, it's been really good to get going, but they can't separate a candidate from a contact. They can't track how many candidates they've sent to a job. They can't track their stats on interviews and stuff like that because it's not built for that. However, what I hear it's really good for is marketing and outreach. I think they've got some really good tools inside of HubSpot for general marketing and email outreach, which I've heard recruiters find really useful for tapping on the doors to clients or outreaching to candidates about a specific job, because you've got the ability to go in there, send those emails, see who's opened the emails, and then go through and put those people into a call list and follow up and things like that. The other thing that I will highlight is that the pricing with HubSpot gets pretty tasty pretty quick. Now, I can't remember off the top of my head. I will put the pricing up here for you, but they do have some entry-level packages that are like 14, 15 pounds a month. And then once you're ready to move up to the next step, it like jumps to like 700 pounds or 500, 600, 700 pounds, something crazy like that. I always like to highlight again, the longevity of a system like HubSpot. Be prepared that you will start with something that's completely free, something that then is kind of affordable, but the next step will really sting you. However, like with Zoho, these guys are a well-renowned brand. Last time I checked, they had over 12,000 reviews on their review site, something crazy like that. So again, if you're looking for a well-established, trustworthy brand, you can't knock them. So system number 4 on the list is a product called Manatal. Now again, Manatal's one that I hear people talking about when they're kind of looking at us or considering us. Again, I think it's because it is really affordable and it's a good option for small businesses. As far as I'm aware, Manatal don't have a free forever version that you can use to take a look at, but I'm sure that they probably will have a free trial that you can make the most of. So if you are considering them, I'd recommend going in, taking a look at the free trial, making the most of that, and obviously then deciding whether that's going to be the right system for you or not. Again, when it comes to pricing, these guys are super affordable. So I'll put the pricing up on screen. Roughly, I think I've obviously been talking about pounds this whole video, but I think their pricing's in dollars, and it starts at something like $19, works its way up into 32, 34, and then up to something like 58. So again, like the theme of this video, it's all about keeping it affordable and trying to make sure that the jumps and the steps up aren't crazy, so that as you move up, you're not kind of committing to crazy monthly fees as you move up to the premium package. But the one thing that I hear they do that people leave us for is the job board distribution. To be totally honest with you, it's a weak spot. We're working on it. We've got some plans. So if this video is really old, come and talk to us. We might have better job board distribution, but as of time of recording, our job board distribution is pretty weak. So if you are a recruiter that relies heavily on job boards and you need to take your job, distribute that far and wide to free and paid systems, Manatal is a solution that I think offer that. I'm going to say on their website, you'll have to check, they boast like 5,000 different job boards that they connect to. So if you're somebody, like I say, that utilizes that kind of feature, they're probably going to be a better tool for you than we are. Again, like with all these tools, I'm chucking up the reviews, so I'll chuck Manatal up here. I can't remember off the top of my head what they are, but again, if you want to go and sniff them out and take a look beforehand, I'm sure you'll be able to find their reviews online pretty easily. So the final recruitment ATS CRM that I'm going to share with you in this video is Recruiter Flow. Like Manatal, these guys don't have a free forever version. If you are looking for something that is free forever, you've got to stick to your first 3 options, Giig, Zoho, HubSpot. These guys don't have that. It would be a case of grabbing a free trial with them, understanding whether or not it's the right product for you, and then being ready to commit straight out the gates. The other thing that I will highlight with these guys is that they are the most expensive product that I've included in this video. They start at, I believe, $149 per user per month. Again, if you're looking for something that's a little bit more affordable at the entry level with affordable steps up, these guys are not going to be that. But the reason that I've included them is because of their sequencing and automations. Now, with a lot of the small businesses that I talk to, the thing I hear that these guys do really well is that multi-channel outreach. So if you're somebody that's sitting there thinking, I really want to set up these sequences that have multi-channel touch points with my candidates and my contacts, these guys are worth looking at. Because again, to be completely candid with you, something that we don't do at the moment that I hear they do really well. We want to do it this year, so 2026 is hopefully the year we implement some of this stuff. But as things stand, as time of recording, if that feature is really important to you, go give these guys a look.